So this is a review of a Wavetrac LSD on an M240i automatic. So basically this modification, this limited slip differential, just makes the car able to deploy the power far more efficiently. There's no more one wheel pill. It's like even when the car is spinning, it still pushes you forward. There's still forward momentum going on. It's so much more fluid. And you can trust the car's behaviour through the corner a lot better. Hi guys, I'm travelling from the Speed Addiction headquarters in San Diego to HP Autosport in Santa Barbara, California to get a Wavetrac LSD installed in my M240i. HP Autosport are the official distributor for Wavetrac, Wave and MFactory Limited Slip Differentials. Most non-M BMWs are not supplied with an LSD from the factory. An aftermarket limited slip differential can be installed in any BMW and is highly recommended for your tuned turbocharged BMW, the 135i, 335i, 340i, etc. After enduring the LA rush hour traffic, I finally arrive in Santa Barbara.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Kimball Street.
Tell me who you are and a little bit about what you guys do, your business.
Yeah, I'm Harold, HP Autosport. We've been around since 2005. We're mainly a BMW shop. We do a lot of differential work, suspension, turbo, tuning, and we also do a lot of supercars for the local customers. So Wavetrac differs from other torque biasing differentials because the additional feature of the there's like two wave discs inside. So basically, in conditions that when one wheel's off the ground or one wheel's on a very low traction surface, say the ice, dirt, what have you, when one wheel turns quicker than the other in the wave disc, it turns and it pushes on the other to create additional resistance, and that's when additional power is directed to the wheel with the low traction. Then you actually get drive on both wheels, whereas the traditional torque biasing doesn't have that feature. So
like a Quaife, for
example. Like a Quaife, the Torsen, I believe. I think there's like the MFactory, diff. All those when wheels off the ground, basically it has no drive whatsoever. It just basically just gonna spin the tire. So yeah, so basically this has the Wavetrac already installed from the factory. The ring gear is actually welded to the factory open diff. So machining was required to actually cut the ring gear off, drill and tap 12 holes for the ring gear bolts in order to install the Wavetrac unit.
Okay guys, so now this car has the Wavetrac LSD installed. Let's see if it transforms the car. I'm gonna floor it now. Let's go. Okay, zero wheel spin. Before the car would be one wheel peeling and I'd be fighting the car just to keep it straight. Not anymore. It's so predictable. Cornering speeds are up now by about 10 or 15 miles per hour. You can trust the grip. The car has much more grip now. Much more grip. Sliding is much more predictable as well. The car is so much more fluid, so much more enjoyable. You get around the corner and he just fires out the corner like a catapult. Wow. No wheel spin. motion. There is no way an open diff M240i could have done that. That would have been impossible. Again out here, flying out of this corner. Through that corner. Guys, you have to get an LSD in your non-M car. On the gas, and it just pushed me out again. Wow. The car now is so much better. From a dig, it spins a little, but when you put the foot down, it just goes efficiently, super efficiently. The car is just more of a, I guess, cohesive package. Everything comes together. The front and the rear of the car just seem to gel together more fluidly, more harmoniously. I don't understand why BMW give these cars an open diff. Before the car had the LSD, when you accelerated out of a corner, you just got the one wheel peel. Sometimes there'd be no forward motion, sometimes the car would just be unstable and sloppy out of corners. Now, the way the car slides, when it slides ever so slightly, is just so controllable and predictable. So I'm going to do another pull from a dig. Everything Sport Plus mode, traction control in MDM, and we're going to hammer it from first gear. Let's go. Lag. Perfection. No wheel spin. It just grips and goes. And I need to tell you that my tyres, my rear tyres, are only 245 width. Bridgestone Potenza RE71R 245, and this car is somewhere in the region of 500 horsepower to the rear wheels, and it just sticks. It just sticks without fuss. Now obviously this is the dry. In the wet it's not going to stick. You would have to be super cautious, but this is a transformation. Basically this car has been transformed into a canyon warrior. The way you can play this around now is next level, guys. Mate, so much faster than before. Again, on that corner, there'd be oversteer. Now it just grips and goes, grips and goes. Here we go. Wow, wow. The #1 improvement for your F22, M240i or M235i is an LSD. It is such a much more accomplished driver's car. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Please like it, smash that thumbs up, subscribe, and please stay tuned for more episodes of The Speed Addiction.